Today's video will be short and sweet. Instead of making individual gifts for my friends at work, I like to create one big platter of sweets and then put out little bags for everybody to take whatever they want. These will feature on that platter along with some of those sugared cranberries and a couple of other treats. All you need are a few ingredients for this kid-friendly recipe. Start out by preheating your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, over medium heat, melt 3/4 of a cup of butter and then 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar. Depending on the flavoring you want, you can also add vanilla here or a couple of sprinkles of cinnamon. I went with about 1 teaspoon of vanilla. The butter and sugar come together really quickly, so you want to stand over it with a wooden spoon and try to incorporate the two. It'll take just a few minutes to get to the next stage. Line a big cookie sheet with either parchment paper or aluminum foil. For this recipe, you'll need just 1 bag of oyster crackers. If you can't find them, any small cereal or cracker will do. Spread them out on your cookie sheet and then get back to your caramel. When your butter and sugar mixture looks foamy and frothy like this, turn the heat down to low and let it go for 2 minutes. Don't forget to stir it. After the 2 minutes are up, pour the hot mixture over the crackers and toss them gently with your spoon. It doesn't have to be perfect, but coat as many as you possibly can without crushing the crackers. When you're done, spread them out again and put them in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. Check them after 8 minutes and make sure they're not burning. You want that caramel sauce to sort of set up like a toffee. At this point, you can sprinkle them with a little sea salt if you want that sweet, salty flavor mixture. And that's it. Let them cool a little bit when they come out of the oven, and then you can break them up into smaller pieces. These little buttery brown sugar puffs make a great addition to any cookie platter. The best thing is you can make them ahead of time and store them in an airtight container. Drop me a line in the comments and let me know what you think. I'd love to hear from you.